go.
Yeah.
Put your other arm out.
On this side?
No.
Other side.
Right where you had it, yeah.
Alright.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
No, just
Get ready.
Let go, man.
Oh.
Woo!
It's pretty wild. Yeah, it is. You won't hit it. He's spinning. Oh, no.
And I'm recording.
Wrong guy.
And he's going in and out in the record.
Where's the swing?
That's a wild feeling going that close to the ground.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You gotta hold your legs up.
That used to be a lawn chair for the fire.
Oh, it's like a sinking thing. I'll go wake that kid up.
Good. Don't stand in there too long. You piss some ants off, you're gonna get it.
They'll bite you.
Yeah.
I'll go wake him up.
Alright. We're coming up here. These guys gotta get packed up too.
Bye, Jake.